So I've got my drill press crank handle here, and the end of it here broke off where the wheel is, and I just took 5 minutes to kind of jimmy rig this up. Obviously this looks like a Franken handle with just some scrap that I had in my shop, and this has been on here for, man, a number of years, and I finally decided I need to upgrade that. So I jumped on Amazon, and this is what I found. I think I got this for like $6 on Amazon. So this should just replace that. I think this is a 12mm hole. This right here is a 12mm as well. And if we pull this off, we've got that set screw. Pull that off. And what we have here is that round 12mm, but then it also has a flat side for a set screw. And this right here doesn't have a set screw or that flat portion. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to drill a hole in here and then put a tap, and then that way I should have a set screw, and this should work perfectly, because right now it does fit on there. But it just spins, right, without that set screw. So let's go ahead and get a set screw on there and see if that works. Now that we ran the drill bit progression and tapped the hole, you can see the threads on the inside. I have a 1/4 screw, and I'll just screw that in. And now we're ready to test fit, so we want to line up our screw with the flat side, which is over here. And so we just slide this sucker on, tighten down our screw, feel it slide on there, and let's test it out. Looks like a charm.